In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make beautiful shadows in UI design using Figma. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or someone who wants to enhance their skills, this guide will help you add depth and nuance to your designs effortlessly. Let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the Figma website. It's an amazing collaborative interface design tool that allows you to create, share, and iterate on your designs with ease. Once you're on the website, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. This will direct you to a page where you can enter your credentials and access your Figma dashboard. If all is set and you're logged in, you'll land on the Figma home screen, a hub where you can quickly access your most recent projects and shared files. Now that you're in, look for the Design section. Clicking on Design will open up your design interface where you can begin creating and editing your work. Once there, you're going to want to select the object or the layer that you wish to add the shadow effect to. This can be anything on your canvas that you want to give more depth or focus, like a button, a card, or any element that needs a bit of more dimension. After clicking on the desired object or layer, your next step is to head over to the right-hand properties panel and find the Effects section. This is where the magic happens. In the Effects panel, look for the Add Effect option, and go ahead to select Drop Shadow from the list. This feature is what will allow you to cast shadows beneath your objects, creating an illusion of elevation on your design surface. Once you've added the drop shadow effect, you can start customizing your shadow to fit the style you're going for. Consider adjusting the blur to soften or sharpen the shadow's edges, and play with the opacity slider to make your shadow brighter or more subtle depending on your design's needs. For positioning, you can tweak the X and Y offsets to give your shadow the correct direction and alignment. Oftentimes, maintaining a subtle and natural looking shadow works best, as overly harsh shadows can detract from your overall design aesthetic. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to create beautiful shadows in Figma, adding depth and emphasis to your UI design like a pro. Shadows are a simple yet powerful tool, and understanding how to apply them can really elevate your design work. Remember, the key is subtlety and coherence with the rest of your interface to ensure your designs are both functional and visually appealing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I can't wait to see the amazing designs you'll create using these techniques. Happy designing!